Number 10.
Experience the sophistication and timeless elegance of a colonial revival kitchen, where dark hardwood floors, white raised panel cabinets, and polished brass hardware create a luxurious ambience. Traditional crown molding and decorative wainscoting enhance the classic look, bringing a sense of architectural grandeur to the space. Step into this refined culinary sanctuary, where the colonial revival design pays homage to the enduring allure of the past, while remaining a beacon of timeless beauty in the present.
Number 9.
The combination of white shaker-style cabinets, subway tile backsplash, and rich wooden countertops creates a timeless and elegant small kitchen design. The addition of vintage pendant lights and a reclaimed wood island infuses the space with farmhouse charm, turning it into a warm and inviting sanctuary. The seamless blend of classic and farmhouse aesthetics makes this kitchen a delightful space where functionality meets elegance and tradition meets modern living. Whether preparing meals or simply savoring a cup of tea, this kitchen is a testament to the enduring appeal of farmhouse elegance.
Number 8.
Transport yourself to a European villa with this classic kitchen design that exudes elegance and sophistication. Rich, dark wood cabinets adorned with intricate carvings and ornate hardware create an air of grandeur, while marble countertops and decorative tile backsplash add to the opulence. Wrought iron accents and vintage-inspired kitchenware complete the European villa charm of this masterpiece kitchen. Step into a world of refined living and indulge in the timeless allure of this European-inspired culinary sanctuary.
Number 7.
Step into the warm embrace of this cozy traditional kitchen, where rustic wooden cabinetry, vintage-inspired appliances, and classic checkered flooring evoke a sense of nostalgia and comfort. The soft, muted tones and the quaint breakfast nook by the window add to the overall charm of this inviting space. This traditional kitchen is a timeless sanctuary, offering a delightful blend of old-world aesthetics and modern functionality, making it a cherished heart of the home where memories are made and shared.
Number 6.
Embrace the serene and charming world of cottage-style living with a small kitchen that exudes warmth and relaxation. Soft pastel colors, open shelving displaying quaint dishware, and delightful floral curtains create an inviting atmosphere that feels like a comforting retreat. The interplay of natural light through lace curtains adds to the dreamy ambience, making this cottage-style kitchen a picturesque haven to savor simple pleasures and revel in the enchanting surroundings.
Number 5.
This small kitchen nestled in a rustic countryside retreat embraces the charm of the countryside, with weathered wood beams, stone walls, and distressed cabinets. The farmhouse sink, wrought iron pot racks, and hanging herbs enhance the rustic allure of the space. Step into this warm and welcoming kitchen, where the rustic countryside setting comes to life, providing a cozy and inviting culinary sanctuary amidst the beauty of nature.
Number 4.
Embrace the classic allure of a black and white kitchen, where white beadboard cabinets, sleek black granite countertops, and subway tile backsplash create a timeless and sophisticated ambience. The contrast between black and white adds a touch of drama, while vintage-inspired pendant lights and traditional bar stools complete the elegant look. Step into a culinary space that exudes enduring allure and sophistication, where the combination of black and white brings a sense of timelessness and refinement to your everyday cooking and dining experience.
Number 3.
Transport yourself to the Mediterranean with this charming kitchen design that exudes warmth and vibrancy. The terracotta tile flooring, vibrant blue accents, and hand-painted tiles infuse the space with the distinct charm of the Mediterranean region. Ornate wrought iron light fixtures and earthy textures complete the inviting ambience, making this kitchen a picturesque retreat reminiscent of a Mediterranean villa. Step into this enchanting culinary sanctuary, where the allure of the Mediterranean comes alive, creating a delightful and invigorating space to savor the flavors of the Mediterranean lifestyle.
Number 2.
Embrace the delightful charm of an English cottage-inspired kitchen, where vintage teapots and floral patterns create a nostalgic and inviting atmosphere. Antique brass fixtures add elegance, while exposed wooden beams and a cozy window seat bring a rustic touch. The farmhouse sink becomes a centerpiece, embodying the traditional charm of cottage living. Step into this picturesque culinary sanctuary, where the essence of an English cottage is captured, making it a delightful and heartwarming space to savor the comforts of home.
Number 1.
Step into a cozy bistro-style kitchen that captures the vintage charm and culinary comforts of a charming French bistro. Brick accent walls and vintage bistro signage transport you to an inviting and delightful culinary haven. Open shelving displays charming culinary essentials, while hanging copper pots and pans add rustic elegance. The small dining area with a quaint round table becomes the perfect spot to savor delightful meals and warm conversations. Embrace the essence of a bistro-style kitchen, where the joy of cooking and dining come together, making it a cherished and inviting space to enjoy life's simple pleasures.